Okay, here's the problem. My screen door has come out from under the spline that was in the channel here, and it's flopping around, and there's a lot of unwelcome guests entering the house. So I just want to get this thing fixed and done. Wow, that works real well. Okay, so the first step in closing this gap down here that I'm going to use is a 1x4, actually 3/4 by 3.5 inch piece of wood, and we're just gonna bolt through the base of the screen door and set this down on this sill plate. And then what we'll do is just get a little bit of vinyl material to staple on here and come in, and then it'll completely close the gap between the two. So that's what we're going to do. See how this works. They're all sitting tight against the wood. They all look pretty good. See, there's still a little gap down there in the underneath the door there, but what we're gonna do is put that flap on the outside, and that should seal that all the way up.